we're chiseling out this because it gets, when it's so deep down there, it's hard on the saw hole. So every now and then I just go through with a chisel and hammer. Good morning, my self-reliant peeps. I am doing a show at the end of the month. I'm going to show my woodworking that I'm doing and see if any of it sells. So what I'm going to do today is finish that piece, that anti-gravity. I've done one in the past, but this one's going to have fractal burning. So today is just finishing up some of the decorations and the stabilization of a crack, and then fractal burning. So we'll see how it goes. Let's carry on. Now we're going down to 120 grit. And finally 320. 320 is very fine, and we'll get all the little scratches out. Maybe I won't have to do any hand sanding. We'll see. I put it on a rubber mat this time because it occurred to me that I've got metal screws in the decking. Now I have rubber shoes on, but again, for safety, I decided that it might be smarter to put it on a rubber mat. Okay, we're getting some nice patterns there. I upped the, I read somewhere where the water baking soda mixture should be 3 to 1, where the last time I just used 1 tablespoon to a cup of water. However, this is working much better. Now I've turned it off. Now we'll turn it on again. I'm not touching it. Yeah, I like that higher ratio better. I want to do the top of it. I think that'll look very nice. We'll see how it works. I think that's it. I'm going to leave this so that we get the oak color, which I like, on the sides, and this will be the front of it that the wine bottle will haul from. Yeah, I think that'll look nice. I'm going to try using that 320 grit with the orbital sander and see if I can get away without doing it by hand. So I got a tack cloth here. Which is sticky. I'm assuming it's just cheesecloth like in polyurethane or something. and that gets any residue, any sawdust. And you use this right before you polyurethane. Okay, not much to that. Oh, this wasn't oak. What was I saying? I was calling this oak when it's dogwood. I wasn't thinking. I realized that after I applied the polyurethane and I saw that we're not getting that red color. And so that's what it was. I forgot. Well, my self-reliant peeps, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I think this turned out very nicely. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I think it turned out very nice. I'm real pleased with it. So we'll see if it sells at my show. I'm not expecting much, but I do like to talk to people, so I'm sure I'll have a great time. All right, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.